We are on week 2, day 2, chest, tricep, shoulders, isometric holds, static holds, the warrior 2, nice strong fire poses, strong base today. We're gonna come out just like we did in that chair pose just a second ago, and we're gonna swing back, engaging, squeezing through those weights. Okay, so now that we have our strong base, we're bringing our arms out wide, nice and straight, squeezing into that weight, and squeezing in, and coming back out, squeezing through that weight the entire time, keeping those hips nice and forward. Sink into that warrior 2. Bring those hands up, and we're rotating around the world. Are you ready? In 3, 2, and 1. Rotate. Thumb stays up, and we're going up. So elbows towards that ceiling, engaging those triceps, that tricep on the way down. Feel that nice stretch. Hamstrings are getting stretched out. Sitting into that warrior 2, we're going into chest pulls. So weight is down by that thigh in your right arm. Go ahead, opposite arm on your opposite chest. And we're gonna pull across. Really feeling that pectoral muscle. Here we go. Last 2, 1 each side. Rotate. Come on up, squeeze those glutes. Last one. Squeeze, rotating into a high plank. Drop those knees, and just go ahead and sit into a child's pose.